Good morning and welcome to yet another amazing episode here at Cooking with Shani, where we talk about cooking ideas for the common African kitchen, lifestyle, diets, and of course to do improve our self-esteem in the kitchen. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do give me your subscription, like my videos, comment and share. And today I am doing amazing cabbage. Trust me, this cabbage tastes better than meat. From a person who has never liked cabbage, I can bet if you try this, you will like it for good. So without wasting a lot of time, I am going to show you the ingredients I will be using in our recipe today. I am using a quarter a piece of a medium-sized cabbage, neatly shredded. As you can see, I prefer the white cabbage to the green cabbage when preparing my cabbage. I am also using 2 medium-sized onions chopped. The secret to some very tasty cabbage is having plenty of onions in this, because they tend to enhance the flavor and mix in everything so well that you can't realize what's an onion and what's a cabbage. Next is my tomato paste, and I am using Peptang tomato paste double concentrated, 70 grams. If you are using any other tomato paste, please ensure it is just double concentrated, and if you are scooping this from a tomato paste tin, just use 2 tablespoons of this. And yes, of course, I need some cooking oil and some salt to taste. I also need very little water through my cooking process, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this. So let's get to cooking. First and foremost, I will heat up my oil and add a little salt, stir everything up, and when the oil is hot enough, I am just going to add my chopped onions, fry them over medium heat until they are golden brown before adding my tomato. In this delicacy. So let's get to serving. So this is my plate of cabbage, guys. Nicely done. Wow, very amazing. The aroma here is so good. You can do this with ugali, you can do this with rice, you can do this with chapati or any pastry. It goes in really well. I hope you try this, and thank you for watching. Please like my video and share this with your friends. And I believe from today your cabbage experience is going to be very different. Let me know your feedback once you try this, and most of all, enjoy your weekend. See you next week. Bye.